Hello. Are you looking for the evidence analysis you need when writing about the theme of guilt in the play Macbeth? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore guilt in the play Macbeth. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you could include. So let's begin. Full of scorpions is my mind. The constant use of demonic imagery to scorpions throughout the play highlights that the protagonist and the main character's psyche is now full of demonic thoughts, or that Satan has taken control of the figure, something which is suggested by Hecate to his witches. Scorpions are creatures full of poison who can not only sting but kill an individual, suggesting the character is aware that his sinful acquisition of power is the reason he now suffers. Syntactically, so the movement of the sentence, by placing the adjective full towards the front of the line, the writer has helped to emphasize how full of pain and misery the mind of Macbeth now is. My hands are of your colour, but I share to wear a heart so white, from Act 2, Scene 2. So the use of the dash appears to link Macbeth and Lady Macbeth. Their hands are the same colour of blood. Their fate appears intertwined, and that they are destined for the same course. However, Lady Macbeth sees the link to Macbeth's cowardice as shame. A metaphoric refers to wearing a white heart, connoting cowardice and surrender. You could also see the dash as a separation and divide in their relationship. Out, damn Spot, out, I say. Lady Macbeth's growing sense of guilt causes her to hallucinate and disturbs both her sleep and mental stability. The repeated use of the preposition out within these exclamatory sentences signifies her distress and desperation for the guilt to leave. Once again, Shakespeare uses commands as imperatives in Lady Macbeth's rhetoric, yet whereas before this cemented her power and status, the permanence of the guilt suggests her position has been weakened because of that guilt. Here's the smell of the blood still, all the perfumes of a